Hi all. In this module, we will focus on the psychological and evolutionary reasons as to why people form unhealthy connections or interactions with AI. Before we can talk about the specific risks children and adolescents face when using generative AI, we need to build an understanding of why they are drawn to using generative AI in the first place, and why unhealthy relationships can form. While this course focuses on younger generations, some of the takeaways can be applied to people of all ages as well. As previously mentioned, AI is becoming a prominent fixture in daily life, whether we realize it or not. It is no longer just a tool to make calculations or answer questions when a human is around. Its role is changing to be the default, even before a human. These generative AI chatbots are being designed with different roles in mind, whether it's a teacher, best friend, therapist, entertainer, caregiver, or even partner. It has the potential and the creators behind it to be whatever a person needs. Alongside this new role, it occupies a middle ground as well by becoming a relational mediator. People don't need to open up an AI app to participate in a conversation with an AI tool. When someone asks ChatGPT to rephrase their text message or advise them on how to answer a message, they can go to AI and send the result of their combined effort without the other party ever knowing. By providing a supportive, non-judgmental tool to help us navigate social complexities in daily life, it sometimes bolsters confidence and expressiveness in a person, further affirming the cycle. It is not only the accessibility of generative AI that draws people in. Generative AI chatbots are designed often with a driving purpose to be easy and sometimes addictive to talk to. They are adaptive and personalized, being able to shapeshift into the type of chatbot any individual would want to return to. They can change their language to fit what a person gives, change its opinions to match, and provide unconditional support regardless of what is being said. Most importantly, it is able to do this without the presence of human imperfection. Human imperfection references the nuances that come with natural social interaction amongst humans. AI does not have its own mental state or lived experiences that can influence how it responds. All it has is data and training, which is rapidly becoming tuned to draw in customers rather than be an objective tool. These chatbots are available at any time, anywhere, and for free, and won't share what you say with others in your life. A user does not have to provide the same emotional support to a bot like it would another human. Instead, the AI acts as a springboard that is always available. If a user doesn't like how a conversation is going, they can simply delete the chat or go use a different chatbot, and there will be no consequence from the AI's side, like grudges or moodiness. Paired with adaptable feedback, which can lack innate human criticism or nuance, some find it easy to continuously use these chatbots for beyond typical means. To conclude with a quote from Artificial Intelligence and the Psychology of Human Connection by Ryan Boyd and David Markowitz, AI now occupies a unique in-between space, producing language that is highly adaptive, personalized, and socially responsive despite the absence of mental states or lived experience. For years, scholars have attempted to define human psychology with a range of theories and expressions. While many can be attributed to this budding relationship with AI, some of which will be discussed in this course, in reality, they were never built with such an intelligent, adaptable tool in mind. We are living in an age where traditional interpersonal theories do not encapsulate these experiences, and instead can only offer support and context. Therefore, in a world where generative AI chatbots can now replicate ways of acting that were once unique to humans, we need to understand all of the context that goes into our relationships with AI so that we can lead with empathy and understanding if children or adolescents fall to very real pitfalls in human AI relationships.